The gates went down early on this one.
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Here it comes to Poughkeepsie. Here comes a train. Pretty sure, yep, there it is. There's the light. Oh, there's a Metro North worker. Crap. Metro North worker. No, never mind. $2.14. Saw that one last week. Croton Falls. Unexpected train, probably an Amtrak. I don't know which way. This way. Probably an Amtrak. Yep. Double decker. To Penn Station. Double decker. As the gates were going up, they just went straight back down.
I think this one coming from...
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Wait, I'm so confused. They went up halfway and then they just went back down. Is there another one coming? This can't be going south. I'm so confused. It's definitely not from this way. It sounded like an SC-42. I'm not sure. This way?
Yeah.
Okay. There it is. There's the light. Here it comes. Please be an SC-42. It sounded like it. Oh my god. I can't tell. It might be an no, Amtrak. That was so weird. There it is. $2.22. You could barely see the Heritage, but still got it. Grand Central. Swear, if it's on this track, please. Yes, it's on. Sorry about that. This one's 217 Penn Central. 217 Penn Central, the Grand Central.